This is our world. We live and breathe here. We need more energy for the generation of new ideas and the development of new technologies. Though our need increases with each passing day, our sources are depleted. The whole world is in search of unique solutions. The solution to sustainable and clean energy is hidden in the sun, one of the greatest gifts bestowed on humanity. Established in 2013, INTEC works to come up with solutions to the world's growing energy demand. We construct the solar power plants that produce the sustainable energy we crave. We contribute to a cleaner future by converting the power of the sun into energy. At INTEC, we are positioned as a leading solar EPC system provider, empowering our customers in their search for sustainable technologies. With a proven track record of more than 1.7 gigawatts and more than 138 solar power projects, INTEC is adding value to the sun. At INTEC, we combine the technical strength and discipline associated with German engineering. We make a difference in the provision of turnkey engineering, procurement, construction, consultancy, operations, and maintenance services all around the world. We believe in a sustainable future. Sustainability matters and is our primary objective. We are always on hand to ensure you maximum efficiency and return for your investments, and to support you in contributing to a sustainable future. With environmental protection in mind, we play a key role in reducing carbon emissions through the power of the sun. We are building a sustainable future. The future is here. Would you like to meet it? Do it right the first time. INTEC Energy Solutions.